That's to Lake Arrowhead. Which way do I need to come down around?
Baldwin Lake. Can we go by that to go home?
I don't know.
To Lake Arrowhead. We have to go that way.
Yeah, that's the Apple Valley to Lake Arrowhead. We have to go that way around. Santa Ana River Trail.
This could be a very important map.
And that's a map of just the byway. Just the highways around the area. Looks like a still of it. Cool. Bunch of trails. So
That goes to my mom's right
Pacific
here.
Crest Trail.
That's
right
where
here.
my mom lives.
Yeah. Well, she
We
might
get down a little
Mission
farther,
Springs,
but
yeah.
because we're not too far from Riverside
No.
County right now, because that's why there's a fire here.
Right. So that's what I was saying. Because look at that's the Pacific Crest Trail, and then this one here comes and joins in the Santa Ana River Trail, and that's the Santa Ana River that comes in through there.
So what waterway feeds Big Bear? Look, there's a Pacific Crest Trail there.
That's what I was talking about. It goes all the way up here and this way to Deep Creek.
Is Deep Creek what feeds this lake?
Yeah, probably. I don't know. But we're in a snowpack area, so the actual immediate snowpack around these mountains is what feeds the lake. You know what I mean?
True.
This
We've had
is-
some really
this
bad
is the
snow
water
years.
source. That's why the Santa Ana River and stuff come from this area.
Right.
Those
The
mountains.
water is the snowpack, and it melts and it goes down the rivers.
Yeah.
Fire in the
Thunder.
mountains,
Thundercat.
thunder in
Oh.
these hills. And Wiley, are you ready? I know you want the squirrels, but you got to deal with it. Sorry, I'm gonna go now. Love you, Baba.